Which is the hardest skin for you in Roblox Piggy? Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So as of 2025, the hardest skin to unlock in Roblox Piggy are generally considered to be Mr. Stitchy and Phenomorph. So talking about Mr. Stitchy, this Halloween event skin was available only during a limited time. So unlocking it required finding hidden candles, performing a ritual, and surviving the forest map with precise timing. Since the event is over, it's no longer obtainable unless re-released. And talking about Phenomorph, this secret skin from the breakout chapter has a very complex unlock process. It involves completing hidden steps in the exact order in the bot mode, deciphering the Sorg symbols and audio clues, and triggering the glitch events. Many players needed multiple attempts and video guides to unlock it. So other challenging skins include Phenomorph, Umbra, Mr. P, which is in the true ending, and Primrose. Talking about Phenomorph, it is a secret skin with the hidden steps and glitch sequences. Umbra is a part of Mansionscape event requiring the quick actions, and Mr. P is only unlocked by completing both books and achieving hidden endings. And Primrose is a limited time Christmas event skin that required completing the gift delivery tasks. Which skin is the hardest for you? Personally, depends on whether you missed an event and your skill with puzzles and solo play. So if you missed an event, those skins are now unobtainable. If you struggle with the puzzles or solo play, then Noor or Mr. P might be the most difficult for you. So that's it with this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.